I will show you how to create an interactive map in seconds using the new LLM model, DeepSeek. DeepSeek is currently trending and is known for its strong coding abilities, competing with major AI models like chatgpt. Now let's see how it can help us make a map. To create the map, I provided DeepSeek with a simple prompt. I asked it to generate a map that shows the most populated cities in the world. DeepSeek responded quickly with the required code. I created a folder for this test and started by running the first code, which installs the necessary libraries. After installing the libraries, I moved on to the next step. Now let's add the final piece of code in Google Colab. The code runs perfectly. When we hover over a city, it displays the city's name, population, and ranking. The map is much better than previous implementations. You can use DeepSeek to create useful tools like this. The level of detail on this map is impressive.